How to use the African Storybook Maker app. Hello and welcome to this guide to show you how to use the African Storybook Maker app. To begin, download the app from your preferred app store. The African Storybook Maker app is free to download and provides access to the same resources for creating storybooks as the African Storybook website. Use the Maker app to create and publish illustrated storybooks with your phone or tablet. How to use the Maker app. Install the app and tap the plus sign to create a storybook. Each page is created on the app by uploading a picture and by typing words. Create the storybook's cover page with a picture. Type all the necessary details and then add a picture. To illustrate your story, you can take photographs of pictures on paper. Try to take them in your story order. To illustrate, you can also use photographs saved on the photo gallery of your device. To illustrate your story, you can also use pictures from the Maker app picture library. There are 250 open license pictures. Each page is saved until the whole storybook is complete. After the storybook cover has been created, each page of the storybook is created in a similar way. Type the words for a page or add a picture, or both words and picture. Each page has space for a picture and up to 50 words. The storybook can be published on the phone or tablet by tapping the Publish button. The storybook will be published on the African Storybook website if the device is connected to the internet. And that's it for now. You can access the guide section of the website for more information on how to use the African Storybook Maker app